Okay, so today we're going to talk about sales tips specifically for Black Friday. Okay, how do you get those sales? How do you what should you be doing to get those sales? Okay, here's just a few tips, and you guys have a free workbook that you can download to help you just plan out that strategy. Okay, because one, you're competing with a ton of different people, right? And sometimes we kind of don't plan it out. And then all of a sudden we're like, oh, I'll just throw something up. Okay. And there's specific things that people love on Black Friday. Okay. And I talk about it in the workbook. So let's talk about like what people are looking for. Okay. They're typically looking for a gift. Okay. So if you have physical products, it's a great time to get in front of your ideal customer. They're looking for some self help stuff because maybe they're going to go see family, or maybe they're cooking the Thanksgiving meal or the Christmas meal, or they're already thinking about New Year's and those, health goals that they're going to do. So, what sort of self help maybe do you offer? And then also just looking at people love bargains, right? Like a lot of times people will just buy stuff Black Friday because it's a good bargain. Okay. But here's the thing, you don't want to lose a bunch of money, right? Like you don't want to do that. And so here are just a couple of sales tips. Okay. Now I in the workbook you can fill it all out. I give you some examples of how to bundle things, how to work on all of that. Okay. If you sell physical products, one of the best things that you can do is either um, offer another product. So, offer a little bit of a discount on the second product, or if you can figure out how to do it, I've seen people offer like shirts or things like that with a free like pair of earrings. Again, you have to know your bottom line. Okay. I love using something like Shopify or Thrivecart and doing an order bump. Okay. Upselling them for one more thing. And you can always say, like, you get free shipping if your order's at $50. Okay. So that if they're at like 45, they'll buy something else just to save a little bit on that shipping. It's just a psychological. Okay. But you can also offer, if you have a physical product, you can also offer something digital to go with that. Okay, so let's say you sell clothing or you sell essential oils. Let's use essential oils since we used clothing earlier. Um, you sell essential oils. Those are physical products, right? Like I have mine sitting right here. Those are physical products. So what can you offer with that? Okay. You can offer like a free course. Maybe it's a free Q&A call. It could be a digital product that has recipes or something like that. Okay. Something that you create once and you give it to everybody. Okay. But it's such an easy way just to get them a little bit, like when you order $50 worth of product, we're going to give you this digital bundle valued at 27. Okay, just put a number on there. But that's a great way to do that if you're selling digital products. Okay, so you have a course, you have um, digital downloads, whatever that is. Okay, planners do really well. There's so many different ideas. It really depends. Cookbooks. There's so many different things that you can offer. Okay, depending on your website. Offer another digital product. So bundle those and say like you get both of these products, and the second one is 50% off. So you're getting both products for this price and you're saving 50%. Something like that that's going to get them to say yes. Okay. Now your copy has to not be general. It can't just say use essential oils because they're good for you. What is that essential oil going to do for them? Okay. Are you offering like a trio pack of oils and it's going to help them have more energy to get all the shopping done? Is it going to help them with their stress? Even with clothing and things like that, like it makes them look beautiful. Okay, it helps them show off, the features of their body that they love. It covers up, you know, all the stuff we don't love. Okay, so you have to like give them some really tangible, like this is why this works. Okay, so you have to do that. Digital products, same way. Okay, I don't care if you're offering a cookbook, I don't care if you're offering some sort of course, it has to be tangible in your copywriting. Okay, feeling better is not tangible. Okay, because everybody has a different concept of that. Okay, my idea of feeling better, your idea of feeling better, totally different. I promise. Okay, so you've got to have some tangible there. Okay, I love looking at people's copy. I can literally look at it and be like, change this, change that, and it performs so much better. So when you get the workbook on that thank you page, there's an opportunity to work with me for 4 weeks so that you can get all your questions answered. You can get all of your copy reviewed. Okay, all of that's there so that you can do that. So make sure that you check out the thank you page on the other side. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to rock Black Friday. Okay, I talk in the workbook about email and lead magnets and all of those things because if you're, especially if you're running Facebook ads or Pinterest ads or any of that, those costs come about the third week of November, skyrocket. Okay. So you want your email list built before that. Okay. And you want to be nurturing them. So if you join the Facebook group for only $47, then you're going to get my email workbook to know exactly how to write those emails. And that's valued at 27. Okay. So, I mean, it's a great bargain there. And for me to just be able to look at things. Okay. So make me a promise, pinky swear, okay, that you're not just going to throw something up for Black Friday or ignore it. Okay. That you're going to be strategic, get all of that scheduled out, get all that created, bundle some things together and make more money in your business. Okay. So I hope that you'll grab the free workbook and join us in the Facebook group.